guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another Simply Gilded haul. You'll see another one soon and maybe one more. So I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna see a couple coming up here. So we have the pre-orders. So this is like the first order I ever placed with Simply Gilded. She decided to do some pre-orders because a lot of people were struggling in getting her washi, and this is before she like upped all the like whatchamacallit, up the quantities. So this is like right at the peak of when she really blew up. So I pre-ordered these in March. It is June 11th, and I'm looking to see when I actually bought it. I want to believe it's the end of March. Yes, March 29th. So it took about 3 months, April, May, June, 2.5 months to come in and receive, which was really quick if I really think about it. So let's just say the beginning of, because March, beginning of April, so you had all of April, all of May, and then we're in the middle of June. So about 2.5 months. That's really good, especially since she has these made overseas. So that's really good in my humble opinion. But I haven't even looked at any of the colors. Oh, look how cute she is. Oh, I don't want to rip that because she's like wicked cute. Can I like get that off? Like I've never had one of her. You know what? I got this. Since I don't really care about the bag, I just want to make sure I don't rip anything. So I literally just took this out of the package. Yeah. Perfect, yeah. So I literally haven't even looked at any of these. So I'm gonna just push that out of the way. So this is the card I got. It says Happy Mail and has like a little owl. I don't know if you can see, it's like, there we go. It's like holographic, and then the little glasses are holographic, and then the border. Come on, here we go. There we go. I know it's super hard to see sometimes with my studio lights, but all right, so I got one of everything except for I didn't get the butterfly washi because I'm not really into the non-bows. I mean, is that terrible? But I'm not. So these are the white with pink foiling, not rose gold, but the pink foiling. So this is the 15 and the 10, and you bought them in like packs of 2. So you got the 15 and the 10. So this is the pink foiling. And then I also got the white with the gold. Again, this is super pretty. And I think this is true gold, not the champagne gold, but I could be wrong. I know there's one that's like super bold gold, although this may be a champagne gold. They look the same to me, if I'm gonna be honest. I just know the real gold is a little bit more yellow, but this may look like the real gold, but I don't have neither one of them to compare it to. So I'm gonna say gold, whatever, if it's champagne or real. So this is the difference in the, actually, let me do it this way. Technical difficulties, hang on. Okay, there we go, stop rolling. All right, so this is the difference. I'm trying to line up the bows, there we go. In the pink and then the gold. So super pretty. And then kind of away from the light, although away from the light you can't really tell. But yeah, so I'm absolutely obsessed with these guys. And then I ordered a pink, but I didn't realize, well, on my order it says I ordered 2. I think I knew I ordered 2 pink, because pink is like such an easy color to go with everything. So I ordered a backup, which may sound crazy, but a lot of people ordered 2 of everything. I was not about that. I really just need 1. But for some reason, pink goes with almost everything. So I felt like I could get a backup of this one and be okay. Essentially, I just won't open one and just kind of keep it. Again, it's the same gold, if I'm not mistaken, as the white one. Yeah. So I am super happy I got 2 of these, and let's be real here, if I don't use it in like the next month or 2, like start using the pink a lot, then I may just sell my backup one, because if I'm not using it a lot, I'm one of the ones that are like use it or lose it type thing. So, you know. So that was the pink. And then this is the lavender with silver bows. So these are not, yeah, these are not holographic, they are silver. And I think this is going to be a great color. Like, I feel like you can use this around Halloween, even though it's a lavender, like, there we go, there you can kind of see the color. But it's a very, like, bold lavender. Granted, I don't know what it's like when I'm gonna roll it out. I probably should roll it out, but it takes me forever to open these packages, I'm not gonna lie. Not like to use them, but like to just get like all that stuff off. I'm a mess. So that was a lavender. And then I think, I don't have my invoice up here. It's in actually the trash downstairs. But this, I believe is just what she called the teal, which here's like, you can see that these are holographic. So like, you can see on this guy, I'm trying to non-creased, there we go. You can see the difference between the holographic and the silver. Like it's kind of like this is like a brighter silver, and then this is a little bit more muted, but it like kind of like glows. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, super happy about this guy because I love the holographic. I think this will go great. Now, I ordered the bundle that was just released, and I also ordered some of the stuff that was lost in my last package. RIP, Simply Gilded Washi, that's been lost. So sad. Oh yeah, so let me zoom you out some, and I'll get you all lined up. I think I'm just going to plop that way. Here we go. So that is all the washi I got. And then I also got a freebie bow, which again will be the 4th of July, which I got the bundle. So I will have like a whole bunch of these bows. But I'm so happy with her pre-orders. And you know, I stand by loving her washi, and I'm a user, not a collector. So this is actually a good summary page if you just wanted to see all that I got. And these just so pretty. I know my glare from my lights on that like plastic, but I just love them so much. It's just simple and elegant. I don't know what it is about these that I'm like, yes. Maybe FOMO, a little part of that too. I'm not gonna lie. All right, well thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.